Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, let's learn about change keys in MS Word. Let's get started. In the first video of MS Word, I shared quick introduction to MS Word where I shared different tabs in Word. In this video, we'll use Home tab. Let's begin. There are 5 change case options in MS Word. What is change case option? In change case, selected text turns into different case, for example, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and etc. Let's learn about all 5 cases one by one. Let's begin with the first case, sentence case. Number 1 is sentence case. Select your text. Towards the right side of font size, here is change case option. Click on this option and select first case, sentence case. This converts case of the text selected. For example, the text was in lowercase. In sentence case, the first letter turns into uppercase and rest of the remains in lowercase. Now let's learn about second case, that is uppercase. Select your text. Let's choose uppercase. This converts the selected text into uppercase. Each letter turns into uppercase. Third one is lowercase. Select your text to convert to lowercase. Click on change case option. Choose lowercase. All the selected letters in the text turns into lowercase, that is small case. Fourth one, capitalize each word. Select your text. Under change case option, choose capitalize each word. Here, beginning letter of each word turns to uppercase. For example, in capitalize is C, in each is E, in word is W, and rest of the text is in lowercase. Let's learn about last case, that is toggle case. Select your text. Choose fifth change case option in word, toggle case. In toggle case, the first letter of this word toggle, first letter of word case turned into lowercase and rest of the text is in uppercase. This is the toggle case. These are all the 5 different cases in MS Word. Hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching.